Hello everyone, especially those who are interested in learning Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba, as well as the history of Nigeria. I'm going to show you an app which teaches Nigerian languages and history through video tutorials. It's called Nigeria Today. Additional interesting features of the app include radio stations, textbooks, Nigerian events in some big cities around the world, quizzes on the history of Nigeria, popular Nigerian blogs, and so much more. The app is available for both iPhone and Android on the App Store and Google Play. Download the app today and begin to realize that learning about Nigeria can be fun and so easy.